Every single year, it's the same old thing. We cannot wait for spring to get here, but we always forget what spring brings, and that is bugs. I can't do the bugs inside, I can't do the bugs outside, so it's time for me to do a little bit of DIY pest control. For this, I decided to give Pestie a try. They send you everything you need in the package to get started. You have your spraying mechanism, the pesticide, and a pair of gloves. You get clear, easy to follow instructions. Pestie is a subscription-based service with a bug-free guarantee. You simply fill the bag with water, mix in your pesticides, connect your wand, and shake it up. You will be using pro-grade pesticides which are optimized for your particular area. You want to spray the foundation of your home in a 4-foot band, 2 feet up the side of the home and 2 feet away from the home on the ground. Spray around windows, door frames, window wells, and garage door openings. The product is kid and pet friendly. It is safe to spray inside, but what you want to do is use a light spray throughout. Store your bag and sprayer for use with future applications. Pestie will send you a shipment every 2 to 3 months in order to keep the bug barrier around your home active. And just like that, we are protected. Quick and simple, just the way I like it.